Once you've got your calotte or your bead tip attached to one end, we're going to start floating beads. So the way to float beads is if you take one strand at a time and you're going to thread on a crimp bead and then the two, well, whatever beads you're going to float. So in this instance, I'm going to float a small crystal and a button-shaped freshwater pearl, and then you want a second crimp bead on the other side. And I'm going to position them here, wherever you decide you want to have it, and I'm going to then flatten the crimp bead on this side. Let those beads fall against it while I flatten a crimp bead on the other side. And that holds those beads in place, and that's called floating. Now, I often use silver tiger tail or silver beading wire. Here I've used black because I think it shows up really clearly. But you can also use what is a clear wire, and that then makes it look like what they call an illusion bracelet. So it looks like it's really floating, that there's nothing else holding the beads there in place. So here I'm taking a second bead up and deciding where I would like it to be. Again, crimp a bead at one end and then crimp the bead at the other end, and that then holds them in place. Can you see?